here this iPad case. This is for the iPad 11th and 10th generation. I like this because sometimes I want to work on the iPad without bringing my laptop out. And this is in the blue. So you open it up. It arrived very nice. You just pop the iPad in here. It hooked up very easily. You could remove this. And you just press this to connect it. Very easy. You charge it on this here standard charger. And I like that you can have 3 different ways to set the back of the keyboard. There's 3 grooves here. Magnetic detachment, so it's not flopping around everywhere. And it has 3 different ways to situate it. But I do like the fact that I can work on my iPad and not have to drag out the laptop. 7 color backlit. The keys are backlit. Very nice to the touch, and they're very responsive. I don't have to smack them. The keyboard pops off easily when you want to use the case without it, which makes the setup a whole lot easier. Very, very nice. And you also have the pencil holder here. It doesn't come with it, but if you have an Apple Pen, or a pen, I guess, you just pop it in there and it stays in there. Very, very nice. Good for watching videos or typing on the go. It's a solid keyboard for the price. It is functional. It is protective. I like how it folds up very easily and you are good to go. The battery life on the keyboard is long. So you can see the colors a little bit. You can't really see that, but it does light up. It's purple and blue. Bluetooth connection is reliable and setup was instantaneous. It's a basic. I love it and it gets the job done. Highly recommend.